Learner, I am going to start today the basic trigonometry classes for CBSE, ISC or ICSE or all state boards. It is the most important chapter, and for the class 10 student it is a new concept for them because trigonometry is the first time they are learning. So first of all, we are considering a triangle having a height, base and hypotenuse. Height, base and hypotenuse, we are considering an angle theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle of inclination of base with hypotenuse. That means this height and base, in between the angle is a 90 degree, and the angle of inclination of hypotenuse with base is theta. So the last angle is 90 degree minus theta. So we have taken a triangle. I am inserting the name of this A, B and C. AB is the base of the triangle ABC. BC is the height or altitude, and AC is the hypotenuse. So we are now finding some trigonometrical ratios. What are the ratios? Ratio is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is the ratio with respect to this triangle, height by hypotenuse, and sin theta is the ratio of height by hypotenuse, where sin theta equal to is the angle of inclination between base and hypotenuse. Similarly, we are going to cos theta. Cos theta is the ratio base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Tan theta equal to height by base, or you can find out that tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. We can again write here sin theta upon cos theta. Then ultimately we will get height by base is the ratio of tan theta. Then there are some reciprocals of all basic ratios, trigonometric ratio, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta, 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta, and 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta. Then again this angle ABC, this B angle is a 90 degree. This sign is indicating the 90 degree. That means ABC is the perpendicular on AB, and AC is the hypotenuse, and theta is the angle of inclination on which finding out the trigonometrical ratios, and another angle 90, and these two are 90, so it is 90 degree minus theta. Now when it is a perpendicular to each other with height and base, then we can alternatively write hypotenuse is hypotenuse. We are writing it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we are not changing. We are not changing hypotenuse. We are changing base, we are changing to height, and height is changing to. So ultimately at that time the angle of inclination will be C angle, that is theta, and A automatically will be converted into 90 degree minus theta. That means we are interchanging base to height and height to base. Again sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Cosec theta, sin theta, 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta, then 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta, and 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta. And now we have to memorize the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now we are remembering, we can prove all the, so I will say some identities. That means first, that is Pythagoras theorem equal to hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square or altitude square. So now, there are some most important identities. For trigonometries, we should learn today sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. All this can be proved with the help of Pythagoras theorem. In the next lesson, it will be complete. I'll take a try. I'll make a try to prove all three these. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. At that time, we should take the help or Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Some basic value of the trigonometry, specific value of the angle of all trigonometrical sign related to, that is, we'll take the only consider this 0 degree, 30 degree. 30 degree means pi by 6, that means 180 by 6 equal to 30 degree. 40 degree, 45 degree equal to pi by 4, 60 degree equal to pi by 3 and 90 degree equal to pi by 2. Now we should learn or we should memorize the values of the angle sin 0, then sin 30, then sin 45 degree, then sin 60 and sin 90 also. Sin 0 equal to 0. Then way of calculation I will now discuss today. Sin 0 equal to 0, then sin 30 degree equal to half, then sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2 and sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 0 is 0. Just you write it in the reverse order, then 0, then if you write in the reverse order, then just write the value of the sign in the cos column, the reverse order. Then first we will write 1, then we should write 3 by 2, then it is the middle position 1 by 2, then half and 0, they are 0. That means all sign values. If it is written in the reverse order with respect to cos, then we will get the values of the cos angles. Now cos 0 equal to 1, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 equal to 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 60 equal to half and cos 90 equal to 0. That is, we have got the sine values of sine angles 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, and the cos 0, then cos 30, then cos 45, then cos 60, then cos 90. We know that tan is the ratio of sine by cos. Sine by cos. Then for tan 0, sine 0 by cos 0, 0 by 1 equal to 0. Then tan 30 degree, sine 30 half upon cos 30 root 3 by 2. So we are getting 1 by root 3. That is very important value at the time of doing of sum. This value and tan 30 and tan 60 is very much important at the time of doing of sum. That is 0, then 1 by root 3, then 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 equal to 1. That means sine 45 by cos 45 equal to 1. 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2, then tan 45 equal to 1. Now we are going to sin 60 by cos 60, we will get tan 60. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by root 2 equal to root 3. And next one, then 90 degree, then cos 90, tan 90, then 1 by 0. The ratio is 1 by 0, that is, it is undefined. Undefined, that means if the numerator for tan, what is tan 90 degree equal to sin 90 by cos 90 equal to sin 91 by cos 90 equal to 0. Something by 0 is undefined, but for your classes we will use this mark, that is, it is called infinity, it is not actually infinity, because a definite term, if it divided by 0, it must be, it is undefined, we can't define it. Then 10, then cosec, similarly 1 by sine, that is 1 by 0 equal to something by 0, that is why it is undefined. For cosec 0 is undefined. Cosec 0 is undefined, why? Sin 0, cosec 0 equal to 1 by sin theta, that means 1 by sin 0 degree, that is 1 by 0 equal to undefined. Then cosec 60 equal to 1 by sin 60, that is 1 by half equal to root 2. Then cosec 45 equal to 1 by 1 root 2 equal to root 2. Then cosec 60 equal to 1 by sin 60, that is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 equal to 1 by sin 90, that equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. Similarly, sec 0 equal to, what is sec 0? Equal to 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1, that is equal to 1. Similarly, we will get 2 by 3 for sec 30, then sec 45 equal to root 2, then sec 60 equal to 2. And why it is undefined or infinity? Sec, that is equal to 1 by cos 90, that is 1 by 0, again undefined. Then cot, cot is the reciprocal of tan, that means 1 by tan 0 equal to 1 by 0 equal to undefined. Now we are going to cot 30 equal to 1 by root 3 equal to root 3. Then tan cot 45 equal to 1 by 1, that means 1 by tan 45 equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. Then tan 60 equal to, what is tan 60? Tan 60 equal to root 3. So obviously cot 60 equal to 1 by tan 60 equal to 1 by root 3. Now cot 90 equal to, cot, what is cot 90? 1 by tan 90 equal to, this equal to 0. So we have explained this, what are the table values here. Now I give some shortcut method to find out the value of cot, how we come, only we have a requirement, only sine. Then sine, you write it in the reverse order. With the help of sine and cos, we can get tan, we can get cosec, we can get sec, and we can